Welcome back, creators! Are you tired of that dreaded disk space full warning popping up right in the middle of your timeline? Whether you are cutting cinematic 4K footage or managing massive proxy files, reliable storage is an absolute must. Today, we are breaking down the best external hard drive for video editing to keep your workflow smooth and your footage secure. Let's dive into our top 5 picks.
Product number 1. WD 16TB MyBook Desktop External HDD. Starting our list is the WD 16TB MyBook Desktop External Hard Drive, an absolute powerhouse for video editors dealing with massive file sizes. When you are shooting in high resolutions, your storage needs skyrocket, and this drive provides an immense warehouse for your entire video archive. Beyond pure capacity, Western Digital has packed this desktop drive with robust 256-bit AES hardware encryption and password protection, ensuring your sensitive client projects remain completely secure from unauthorized access. The drive comes equipped with intuitive auto backup software that seamlessly integrates with both Mac and Windows systems right out of the box. While it does require a dedicated wall outlet for power, the super-speed USB 3.0 interface guarantees stable, fast transfer rates for your heavy rendering sessions. If you need a secure, high-capacity vault to anchor your primary desktop editing station, the WD MyBook is an industry-standard choice.
Product number 2. Seagate OneTouch 8TB External HDD. Next up is the Seagate OneTouch 8TB External HDD, which completely reimagines what a desktop drive can do for your editing desk. This is not just a storage device, it is a fully functional workstation hub. The front panel features convenient USB-C and USB 3.0 ports, allowing you to instantly offload footage from your camera or card reader without fumbling behind your PC case. You can even charge your phone or tablet directly from the drive while editing. It offers 8 TB of reliable storage, which is the perfect sweet spot for active project files and personal portfolios. Seagate also includes password-protected hardware encryption to keep your intellectual property safe. Compatible with both Windows and Mac platforms natively, this drive eliminates formatting headaches. For editors who want a sleek, multifunctional hub that streamlines peripheral connectivity while providing ample storage, the Seagate OneTouch is brilliant.
Product number 3. WD 16TB Elements. Our third contender is the WD 16TB Elements desktop drive, offering a beautifully straightforward approach to mass storage. Unlike the MyBook series, the Elements drive strips away the bundled backup software and hardware encryption, focusing purely on delivering massive, reliable capacity at a highly competitive price point. It features the same trusted Western Digital mechanical reliability and a fast USB 3.0 interface to ensure smooth file transfers when archiving completed video projects. This plug-and-play simplicity makes it exceptionally appealing for editors who prefer to use their own third-party backup software or need a dedicated, no-frills drive purely for dumping raw footage. It requires a power adapter and sits quietly on your desk with its sleek, minimalistic vertical design. If your primary goal is maximizing your terabyte per dollar ratio without paying for extra features you might not use, the WD Elements drive is an unbeatable archiving solution.
Product number 4. YOTUO Portable External Hard Drive. Coming in at number 4 is the YOTUO Portable External Hard Drive, which serves an entirely different purpose in a video editor's toolkit. While the previous drives are stationary desktop monoliths, this ultra-lightweight drive is built entirely for mobility. Weighing less than a can of soda, it is the perfect companion for editors who need to transfer proxy files between a home laptop while traveling or sitting in a coffee shop. It features a patented shock-absorbing silicone sleeve that protects your crucial project files from accidental bumps in your backpack. Utilizing a fast USB 3.0 connection, it delivers rapid data transfers without requiring any external power source. It is truly plug-and-play across multiple operating systems and gaming consoles. For creators who need an affordable, rugged, and highly portable shuttle drive to move active project files on the go, the YOTUO is a highly practical investment.
Product number 5. Seagate 6TB Desktop External Hard Drive. Rounding out our list is the Seagate Backup Plus Hub 6TB Desktop External Hard Drive, a fantastic mid-capacity option that brings exceptional utility to your editing bay. Similar to the One Touch model, this drive stands out by incorporating two front-facing intelligent USB 3.0 ports. This allows you to daisy-chain other hard drives, plug in a flash drive, or charge your production gear directly from your desktop storage unit, even if your main computer is in standby mode. The 6 TB capacity provides plenty of room for several large-scale video projects simultaneously. It includes the powerful Seagate dashboard software, making automated local and cloud backups incredibly straightforward. Cross-platform compatibility ensures you can switch between Mac and PC environments flawlessly. If you want a dependable desktop storage solution that actively expands your workstation's connectivity rather than just taking up desk space, the Backup Plus Hub is a stellar choice.
In terms of price compatibility, the WD Elements is your best budget-friendly option for pure, massive archiving without extra software fluff. The Seagate Hub models sit perfectly in the mid-range, offering immense value through their added connectivity ports. The WD MyBook carries a premium for its top-tier encryption features, while the YOTUO is the most affordable choice strictly for mobile file shuttling. Check the links in the description below for the most up-to-date pricing on all these models. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech and creator gear reviews. Keep creating, stay organized, and I'll see you in the next video.